Texas, on November 24th, 2025, a violent tornado tore through suburban neighborhoods north of Houston, turning calm streets into corridors of wreckage. What began as a developing storm system quickly evolved into a destructive force, fueled by unstable air, Gulf moisture, and strong wind shear that had meteorologists sounding early alarms. Across Harris County, residents described a sudden shift in the sky, followed by a deep, rolling roar and a surge of wind. In communities like Spring and Cypress, people sheltered inside closets, bathrooms, and hallways as shingles, branches, and debris slammed against their homes. When the winds eased, entire blocks emerged as scenes of chaos. Roofs were peeled away, garage frames twisted, fences flattened, and windows shattered. Yards were coated in fragments of drywall, insulation, and broken glass carried from homes down the street. Officials surveyed the damage and reported that more than 100 homes suffered structural impacts. Some bore minor tearing and surface damage, while others had large sections missing, exposing attics and living rooms to the open air. Insurance adjusters began documenting losses within hours. Utility infrastructure suffered as well. Power poles snapped, transformers blew, and miles of electrical lines drooped across roads and driveways. Thousands temporarily lost power, prompting repair crews to work overnight to restore electricity to affected neighborhoods. Businesses were not spared. Small shops, restaurants, and medical plazas reported broken windows, torn signage, water intrusion, and damaged equipment. Some closed indefinitely, while owners assessed how to rebuild and reopen safely. Trees played a major role in the destruction. Massive oaks and pines were uprooted and pushed onto roofs, vehicles, and property fences. Others were splintered halfway up the trunk, leaving jagged stumps and scattered branches across sidewalks and lawns. Roadways became cluttered with debris, forcing officials to shut down intersections and residential access points. Emergency responders placed barricades, navigated blocked streets, and checked damaged homes to ensure residents received assistance. Drone video captured a clear trail of destruction that cut through multiple subdivisions. From above, missing rooftops, torn siding, and stripped tree lines formed a visible scar across the community, mapping the tornado's exact route. The National Weather Service confirmed the tornado after reviewing radar signatures, eyewitness reports, and on-the-ground assessments. Survey teams studied fallen trees, debris direction, and building failures to determine the storm's strength and behavior. This storm was one piece of a larger, severe weather outbreak across eastern Texas. Meteorologists had issued tornado watches earlier in the day, warning that atmospheric conditions could support rotating thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds. Television stations, storm chasers, and weather analysts monitored the skies, broadcasting updates and urging residents to seek shelter. Videos shared online showed swirling cloud bases, rapid rotation, and intense lightning illuminating the approaching storm. Flooding added to the turmoil. Heavy rainfall overwhelmed drainage systems already clogged with storm debris, creating temporary pools of water in streets, driveways, and intersections. First responders advised drivers to avoid flooded roadways until conditions improved. Cleanup began almost immediately. Neighbors checked on one another, helped clear driveways, and collected scattered belongings. Volunteers distributed tarps, bottled water, flashlights, and other supplies to families whose homes were exposed to the elements. Emergency management teams coordinated with local agencies to evaluate damage, establish support centers, and direct recovery efforts. Community leaders emphasized that rebuilding would take time, patience, and financial resources. Construction crews soon arrived to repair roofs, replace windows, and remove compromised structures. Contractors inspected foundations, framing, and electrical systems to determine which homes could be safely repaired and which required more extensive rebuilding. For many residents, the emotional impact rivaled the physical damage. Families walked through familiar rooms now littered with debris, trying to salvage photos, keepsakes, clothing, and personal items that survived the winds. Local officials credited preparedness efforts and effective communication for helping residents take shelter quickly. Public safety agencies stressed the importance of reliable warning systems and community awareness during severe weather seasons. Scientists expect to analyze this tornado further. Radar data, atmospheric readings, and storm chaser footage may provide valuable insights into how the storm formed, intensified, and interacted with nearby weather systems. That research could support improved forecasting models, offering residents more lead time before similar storms develop. Weather experts note that even short warning windows can save property and prevent harm when residents know how to respond. Thanks for watching Severe Weather, where we break down the facts behind nature's most intense moments. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel going. Hit the bell so you never miss a real, calm, and clear report. Note, some footage in this video may be used for illustration and may not show the exact event described. See you in the next one. Stay informed, stay safe.